Hello, my name is Holly Walsh and I'm here to teach you how to build your own Google site. First, you need to be signed into your Google account like I am. Then you're going to go over here to the square box, click on it, go down to Drive, click on Drive, and then go to New, click on New, go down to More, until you get to Google Sites and click on Google Sites. Here we're going to enter a name for our site, and I'm going to put Winter 2018, and it's going to automatically title the page. So if we want to change our image, we can select an image. If we want like a wintry picture, this would be good for the background, which is perfect. And then that's it for starting your own Google site.